The industry standard double pole corners are suitable for DIY and entry-level installers, but the corner post from Allsafe elevates mesh pool fencing to a new level. For any direction change in the layout, whether a 45 or 90 degree, the corner post provides the most solid platform for the job. This graphic is available in our knowledge base for reference. Because the 1¼ square corner post will take up some border material across the face of the post, the challenge has always been measuring and drilling the deck accurately. Let's explore a corner post hack to achieve professional results. We're going to lay out a corner post within a 36-inch panel. Draw an 1¼ line at a 45-degree angle. Then add a reference line, forming a T. The peg at the bottom of the corner post is inset 1/4 inch from the face of the post. Therefore, make a mark 1/4 inch from your original 45-degree line. Starting at the last fence pole mark before the corner, place a tape measure down and put your finger on the intersection of your chalk line and the 45-degree line. Holding your finger steady, pivot the tape measure to align with the 45-degree line, then move your pivot finger to the other side of the line. Mark the deck at 36 inches. For accuracy, repeat the process in reverse. Remember, measure twice, drill once. The same method could be used on any angle to measure around a corner post to come up with the correct measurements. As a side note, never install a corner post less than 12 inches away from any other pole in the system, as the opposing angles will make it very difficult for your customer to remove. Before drilling, set the drill sideways at a 45 and then set the angle of your drill to a 5-degree lean. If you were drilling a 1-inch pole, you would drill right on the 45-degree line. However, since today's installation involves a peg fence, as mentioned earlier, we will drill on the 1/4 inch mark. Once the hole is drilled, insert the sleeve into the deck. Remove the molding from the corner post and insert the post into the deck, and then install the fence connecting the gate trusses, termination points, and section latches. After the fence is fully installed and tensioned, measure from the bottom of the closest pole to the corner post and transfer that measurement to the top border to ensure that the corner post is straight. Starting at the bottom of the corner post, attach the molding with only the bottom screw. Then give the molding a slight arc and grab the border with the tip of the screw. Flatten out the molding, stretching it to give your fence a professional finish. At this point, you can go ahead and fully secure the molding. The corner post should be used on either side of the gate when installing it near a turn in the layout. This will help maintain the tension and enhance stability. This is what we call an inside turn corner post. This measurement is fairly straightforward to figure out. The molding on the corner post will take up a 1/4 inch off each side. When you make your measurement, make sure you deduct a 1/4 inch off each side to the next pole. And again, if you're using a peg pole, make sure you drill a 1/4 inch back. The corner post from Allsafe is just one of many components designed to take your installs to a new level. For more tips on installation techniques, please visit our knowledge base at allsafepool.com.